Hello and welcome to this Clever Clogs Academy verbal reasoning video. Today we will be looking at word ladders questions. In a word ladder, your mission is to change the starting word into the final word. But there are two very important rules you must follow. Rule number 1, you can only change one letter at a time. Rule number 2, every single new word you make must be a real dictionary word. For example, to change real into moat, we change the R to M for meal, the L to T for meat, and the E to O for moat. One letter at a time, and all real words. To solve these questions quickly, you need our golden strategy. Before you change anything, look closely at the first and last words. Is there a letter that appears in both words in the exact same position? We call this your anchor letter. It tells you exactly which letter you do not need to change. Let's look at an example. Turn cope into fort. First, find the anchor. The letter O is the second letter in both words. It anchors our ladder. Now, let's swap letters using only the letters available in our target word, fort. If we change the P to R, we make core. Next, let's change the C to F to make for. Finally, we change the E to T to arrive at fort. Perfect. Now it's your turn. Change one letter at a time to complete this ladder. Sped to flee. Pause the video here, find your anchor letter, and see if you can work out the two missing words. Did you figure it out? Our anchor letter is E. First we change the P in sped to an L to make sled. Then we change the S to an F to make fled. Finally we swap the D for an A to make flee. A perfect stairway. Let's try another one. Can you find the two missing words to turn fish into mast? Pause the video and give it a go. How did you do? The anchor letter here is S. First we change the H in fish to a T to make fist. Next we change the I to an A to make fast. Finally we change the F to an M to make mast. Brilliant job. It is time for your quick quiz. Find the two missing words to complete this ladder. Card to ball. Pause the video, use your golden strategies and see if you can solve the final challenge. The anchor letter is R. We change the A in card to an O to make cord. Then we change the D to an E to make core. Finally, we swap the C for a B to make bore. If you got that right, well done. Keep practicing. Always check that your words are real, and I'll see you in the next Clever Clogs lesson.